This is a very simple pattern. The goal is to kill white here on the corner. There are actually not many points that black can try. And this is something that you should just know as a beginner, right? Let's just try all these points. Obviously, this is an illegal move on the 1-1 point. You cannot play here. This will be wrong, obviously. Playing here will also be wrong because white will be able to cut off black like this, right? Black cannot connect. This will be another real eye. So number one here doesn't work. Playing this also doesn't work because white can capture black this way. It'll either be this or this, right? So black cannot succeed by playing at the 1-3 point. This will also not work, right? Black cannot come in here, right? So it'd be something like this. White is still alive. And that leaves us with this move, which is the correct answer, right? If white plays here, now black can come in and destroy this eye. This will be a fake eye, the 2-2 point. If white plays here, then black can come in here, right? Now white cannot come in here because black will be able to capture white in this way. And this will be a dead shape for white. So when you're seeing, it's a very small pattern, not many choices. Just try out all the patterns in your head before you make a decision. So once again, slow down when you see these patterns and try all the various possibilities. It's not too hard to calculate. 5 moves at most. Usually it's pretty clear after 3 or 4 moves. Also, this pattern is a basic pattern that all beginners should learn. But playing this diagonal, very elegant move, black will be able to succeed. So please remember this move and good luck. Thank you for watching.